So let me show you something. I'm sure most of you have experienced this error whenever you're done with your input tax and you want to go to the next section. When you hit next, this error pops up. Even if you've put the right invoice number starting with the INV and the STC number, the system still gives you this error. Let me show you something. So we've got two purchases, administrative expenses. There's one from Micma and one from ShopRite. Let's start with the one from ShopRite. Let's look at this invoice from ShopRite, this slip. This slip quite alright shows you the STC number and the invoice number, which is this one here. The one that starts with INV. That's STC number and the invoice number there. This is what we put under invoice in the system for ZRA, which is correct. But now, this slip brings up an error that it is invalid. I don't know how, but I think where the problem is, the only difference is this other receipt from Micma. It shows, I'm sure when you want to buy something from a store like ShopRite, they don't ask you like where you coming from, which company is it. They just scan your product, whatever you've bought, and then they give you the receipt. So meaning they haven't gotten your tip-in that to match up with your purchase in the ZRA system. I don't know if it makes sense, but something like that. So when we go to a store like Micma, they're going to ask you the tip-in number. Then on your receipt there or invoice, they'll put the company's tip-in number, which is this one here, like for example, this one here, which ShopRite doesn't ask you. I'm sure it's a long process, so they just scan and you go. They scan your products and you go without asking for your tip-in number. So I think that's where the problem is. So when the system tries to check for that receipt with your tip-in from ShopRite, it turns out that it's not there. That's how come you get that error from this ZRA online tax portal. So let me just demonstrate to show you that that's actually the case. We're going to delete this receipt from ShopRite and leave the one from Micma. Remember, this one from Micma has got the tip-in of the purchaser, who is me at this moment, or the company. But the one from ShopRite doesn't have the tip-in for whoever is buying that product or whatever you're buying from ShopRite. So it's like there's no link between the two, between the receipt from ShopRite and the ZRA system. But Micma, once you buy something, they'll put the client's tip-in in their system and it to sync with the ZRA system, making it valid. I hope that makes sense. So let's delete this one, the one from ShopRite. Then we try and click on next and see if this is going to proceed without giving us an error. It has gone through, there are no issues. So I don't know, but for now, that's how you avoid this error. So remember, if you've bought something and that store hasn't put your tip-in, your company's tip-in on that receipt or invoice, you will not be able to claim your VAT input under Schedule 12 in the ZRA tax portal. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one.